Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. I am super excited to share this reveal video with you. I am here to reveal the new Build a Castle die set. And this is a fabulous die set. It comes with 23 dies, but from these 23 dies, you get 39 die cuts. I think that it was designed really very well because you get all the bits and pieces for the castles, as well as some dragons, as well as a nice border so you can have a nice brick wall. And here's what it looks like to have all of the little pieces cut out. Now, this piece here, it cuts the little toppers for the castle. I think they're called turrets. I don't really know. And then this little piece here die cuts all the little flags, and then also these little banners that you can hang from the little windows. Here's a castle that I had cut out and put together, and it was really easy to do. I used the smallest piece as well as the main castle piece, and then 2 extra columns, and of course added the toppers. And to add a little bit of texture, I did use the brick stencil. I have a few more samples to share with you. This first one is I decided to make a very large castle to take up pretty much the whole front of my slimline card. And I also used the new Slimline Enchanted Kingdom paper pack for my background. Then I decided that not all castles need to be gray, so I decided to do a pink castle, and I incorporated the Unicorn Wishes stamp set to go with that. And then for the background on that one, I used the Slimline Clouds die. For my final sample, I decided to go with a darker color palette, and I used very few dies for this card. I wanted to have a nice brick wall, and I used the brick stencil again for those 2 pieces. And then I did very simple ink blending for the background on that one. For more information on the products that I used, I'll have that linked in the description box below for you. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog, and we'd love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join our Facebook group. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.